aircraft does continue to climb, please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. We do recommend whenever you're on seated, your seatbelt remains fastened in case of any unexpected turbulence. While shoots are located at each end of the cabin and are all fitted with smoke detectors, smoking is strictly not permitted on board. This does extend to the use of electronic and vaping devices. If you need to retrieve anything from the overhead lockers, please do take care in case anything has moved and could fall out. Once it's safe to do so, the crew will join you in the cabin with our eat, drink, shop range. We do have a selection of hot and cold drinks, sweet and savoury snacks, as well as a full bar service of beers, wines and spirits. You can purchase 2 beers or 2 wines for £8.50, 2 Prosecco's for £12.95, and we do have a selection of premium gins on board. We do also have offers on our hot drinks and sweet snacks. And we do have a limited number of sandwiches available on board today that can be made up as part of a meal deal starting from £7.95 with selected drinks and snacks. Full details of the product's prices can be found in the menu card in your seat pocket in front. Also on the service, if you do wish to purchase anything from our boutique range, we do have a selection of fragrances, gifts, gadgets, skincare and cosmetics, and you can take 20% off the proceeds you see in the brochure. We are a cashless airline, we don't accept payment by credit and debit cards. And you can use your personal devices to pay by Apple and Android Pay. If you do need any assistance, do not hesitate to ask, but for now, sit back, relax and enjoy this short flight over to Manchester.